The business engagement kickstarts a dialogue on how the negotiations between both the government of Botswana and the US should look like in order to avoid severe implications of the new tariffs on the economy, businesses and the nation if imposed. This is because Botswana exports goods such as diamonds, textiles and agricultural products to America.
There are a number of things that maybe we should consider as a country. One, as you mentioned, is to leverage on the trade agreements. Botswana is a member of SACU, is a member of SADC, there's also AFTA. And as we speak, intra-trade within Africa is not, there's nothing much there. And this is the time for us to utilize this opportunity.
I think there's an important factor that the economy of Botswana needs to look at in earnest, and that of diversification away from diamonds. And because dependency on one single commodity to run an economy is very dangerous. You need to spread the risks.
We need to improve our efficiency in the customs area. So that between African countries, trade can improve, as well as something that I've already mentioned earlier, the development of more efficient logistics and transport, railway and others.
The possible medium and long-term implications of the new tariffs is job losses and reduction of investor confidence if there is no effective solution. Hence, the business community's position to negotiate for a zero tariff.
If the industry itself does not have a competitive advantage in terms of the market being America, it means that there will be less employment for the sector, and this trickles down to the general economy of the country. So the tariffs, in fact, really doom the sector, and not only textile but many of the manufacturing sectors.
The predominant diamond market, for polished diamond market, is the US. It probably has imports in the range of about 80% of all polished diamonds that are polished globally. The balance being in India and something in China.
Speaking for the Pandamatenga farmers, they were looking towards having a partnership with USAID, which was shut down, and to go into agro-processing, to further, value add what they're producing, and to export as well to the US through the AGOA trade agreement.
The transport sector, after government, they are the ones that have employed more personnel. So that is the only one that will be highly affected.
As government is planning to negotiate with America during the 90-day grace period, the business community has pledged its support to help government navigate these challenging times.